Greetings, my name is Matt, and today we're going to look at how to re-enroll your student for the upcoming 22-23 school year. We'll take this step by step, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the link provided by your school for re-enrollment. In this case, we're going to https://tinyurl.com/OHDELA Re-Enroll. Once this is entered into your web browser, you're going to want to hit enter. You'll have to enter the parent first name, the parent last name, and email address. The email address you enter must be the email address we currently have on file for you and referenced in the re-enrollment email you received. Once you put in the email address, you'll be prompted to create a password. Make sure that the password has at least 8 characters, at least 1 letter, at least 1 number, and then matches the confirm your password entry. Once you have all of these items entered, you'll click Create Account. Now what you'll see is we're at the enrollment registration portal. You'll know that you're there because it'll say welcome and your first name. Underneath next steps, you'll see the enrollment record for your student. What we're going to do is click on this link. But first, I want to draw your attention to the Add New Student Enrollment button. This is simply if you want to add a new student to your already enrolled group of students. But what we're going to do here is we're going to complete the re-enrollment for the student we just created the account for. So I'm going to click this link. After clicking that link, you'll be brought to the Student Re-enrollment Choice page. You'll see your student's first name, their last name, and their grade level for next school year. Now it's time to indicate if your student will be returning next school year. What we'll look at first is the scenario in which your student will be returning. So if they're returning, you would select yes, my student will return next school year. Now that you've clicked yes, you would like to re-enroll your student, you'll just have to fill out some information for us. You'll want to check the household address, and if you need to make changes to the address on file, you'll select the Yes button. After selecting Yes, you'll be able to make the changes to the student's address below. Next, you'll have to update the parent or primary guardian contact information. You'll want to put the primary guardian email, their relationship to the student, the primary phone number, the parent guardian residential address, the city, state, and zip. If you'd like to add any additional contacts, you can do so on the next form boxes. Once you fill out all the primary information for your residents, you'll have to upload a proof of residency. To upload a proof of residency, we've made it quite simple. All you need to do is go under the Proof of Residency box, click Upload Files, find the correct file on your computer, and click Open. You'll notice it'll attach the file to that Proof of Residency box, and then you can click Done. Now you'll see that my document's here. Once you've uploaded that proof of residency, you'll select Save and Continue. At this stage, you've completed everything you need to complete to re-enroll your student. Now, all that's left to do is click the Submit button, and you're done. Once you have notified OHDELA that you will be returning and you've clicked the Submit button during the enrollment process, you'll receive an email welcoming you back to the next school year. What you're now noticing is that we're back at the Student Re-Enrollment Choice page. We have our student's first name, our student's last name, and their grade level for next year. Now what you'll notice is I've selected no, my student will not return next school year. What you now need to do is select a reason as to why they're not returning. Notice for this example I've selected this was temporary solution to the pandemic. Next, you'll need to tell us the next step for your student. This is required for reporting to the State Department of Education. So notice that we're transferring to another online school in this example. If you know the name of the school, you'll enter it in the next box. If you know the address, you'll enter that in the box following. Once you've completed all of those steps, what you'll have to do is use your mouse or your finger to draw your signature below. So what I'm going to do is sign my name in the box. Once I've completed the signature, I'll want to make sure that I save my signature. To do that, all you need to do is select the save icon and click. Next, you'll put today's date. And then we'll save and continue. Notice I'm now once again on the submission page. All I need to do is click submit, and I've completed my intentions for the 22-23 school year. Finally, we're going to look at the scenario in which you're undecided if you're sending your student back to our school next year. In this case, you go back to the student re-enrollment choice page and select Undecided. I've not yet decided. Once you've declared this, you can select your reason that your student's not returning next year. After making that selection, you'll select Save and Continue. Please note that once you hit the Submit button, you will no longer be able to modify your selections. You'll then have to contact our enrollment team for help in changing this on our documents. If you need extra help, if you select the Help button, you'll see that contact information listed. Thank you so much for watching this video on how to re-enroll your student for the 22-23 school year.